Yebaza Mukama kubanga naye amutuusa mu kanisa ya Mukama. Yebaza Mukama kuba Katonda bagenda abaana 84 naye ne bavaayo 22. Abalala baabataana abalala ne babasalaasala. Bosi we n'akola contract. Signing kudda Uganda.
Like I signed from Uganda, like I gave my left kidney. Aina signing kwa ensigo ya kono.
Yali assigning kujja kwa ensigo ya kono.
Kamaze miezi na I know Uganda can try. Kamaze miezi na contract.
I have spent 4 years in a contract, 4 months in a contract. She was a lady without a husband. She has 2 children with their daughter was 18 years. And the son had 14 years and he was a good friend of mine. After 4 days,
yeah, 4 months.
After 4 months, he asked me whether I shall go to the hospital. Then I asked who is sick, and I did not want these things of sitting home. I was fearing to stay alone in the house because it was too big with 3 floors. Then I asked the son who was sick, then he replied that it was me because by then I was having flu. Then I asked him, can I be taken to the hospital because of a mere flu? Then he told me that so whether you should not tell your mommy if I show you the letters from the hospital. They were Arabs, like someone if he says that it's the truth. They will have shared.
Sometimes
then I told the son to give me the letters because some of the times many people die from Arabian countries and we blame the Arabs. Yet they are our own companies.
And when
he brought the letter, they was first Arabic and I couldn't understand it.
Then when I
opened on the 3rd page, I found that it was written in English saying that in the Aida, now I gave in my kidney to my boss and he gave me 45 M. What I had to do was just to stay firm and I didn't show any reaction to the son. Then I said, yes, I remember I shall go. But I remember when I had just reached Saudi, they chased me several times more than other people. They had O positive blood group and they needed it. They could care about me a lot and even my friend could get well. I thought that maybe I had got a good boss who could care about me and I could be given anything. I didn't know that we were just taking care of the kidney that they wanted. I had given them 2 full bottles of blood. Then I told them that with my small size and with few blood, if you take 2 bottles, shan't I die?
When I complained so you have to decide everything.
When I complained with the company, they told me that that's your boss, he bought you from us, You have to agree with whatever they told me. I couldn't accept because they could inject me even when I didn't know anything. The more you are injected, the more you feel like losing your mind. When I was locked from the room, I had been given Wi-Fi. I thank God that you can be with someone whom you can tell about your pains.